In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the background color of cells in Excel. By the end, you'll know exactly how to highlight important information, make your sheets easier to scan, and reset colors when you need a clean slate. First, open your worksheet and decide which cell you want to format. Click once on that cell to select it. You'll see a border appear around it, confirming it's active. If you plan to color more than one cell, feel free to click and drag to select a range before you move on. You can also select non-adjacent cells by selecting one area, then holding your modifier key and clicking Others, but the main idea is the same. Make sure the cells you want to change are highlighted before you apply the color. Next, head to the Home tab on the ribbon. Look for the Fill Color button. This is the small paint bucket icon. Click the arrow next to it to open the color palette. You'll see theme colors, which are designed to match your workbook's overall look, and standard colors that stay the same regardless of theme. Click the color you want, and Excel immediately applies it to your selected cells. If you're building a professional report, consider using the theme colors to keep everything consistent. Also, think about contrast. If you choose a darker fill, make sure your text stays readable. High contrast helps your data stand out and prevents eye strain. If you make a choice you don't love, don't worry. You can change it right away by choosing a different swatch, or simply undo the last action. If you decide you no longer want any background color, removing it is just as easy. Go back to the same Fill Color menu and choose Remove Fill or No Fill. The cells return to the default background, and your text remains intact. This is especially helpful when you're reformatting a sheet or preparing it for printing and want a cleaner, more ink-friendly layout. A quick recap. Select the cell or cells you want to format, open the Fill Color menu on the Home tab, and pick a color. When you want to clear it, choose Remove Fill. That's all there is to it. Background colors don't change the data itself. They simply make your information clearer, more organized, and easier to read at a glance. Thanks for watching. If this helped, try applying consistent colors to headings, totals, or status fields to bring structure to your spreadsheets. See you in the next one.